Welcome to a positive light, bringing tranquility to your day. Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of nature, where the gentle flow of the river and the serene ambience of the forest create a perfect escape. Let the calming visuals and peaceful sounds guide you to a state of relaxation and peace. Enjoy the beauty of nature and find your inner calm. This video features continuous nature sounds, focusing on a serene mountain stream waterfall with soothing bird songs. It's perfect for sleep, relaxation, meditation, or stress relief. The gentle flow of water over rocks creates a calming ambience, while the chirping of birds adds a touch of nature's melody. Let the peaceful sounds of the forest river transport you to a place of tranquility and serenity. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or seeking a natural backdrop for meditation, these sounds will help you find your inner peace. Enjoy the harmonious blend of water and birds as you drift into a state of relaxation. Relax and enjoy the soothing sounds of the forest river. Let the gentle flow of the mountain stream waterfall wash over you, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility. Listen to the birds chirping in the forest, their melodies blending harmoniously with the sound of the water. Take a deep breath and let go of any stress or tension. Imagine yourself sitting by the river, feeling the cool breeze on your skin and the warmth of the sun. Allow the natural beauty of this serene environment to calm your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the symphony of nature. Let the sounds guide you into a state of deep relaxation and meditation, whether you're using this time to sleep, meditate, or simply unwind. Let the peaceful ambience of the forest river and mountain stream waterfall envelop you. Enjoy this moment of tranquility and let it bring a positive light into your day. We hope you enjoyed this serene journey through the forest river and the calming sounds of nature. Please let us know in the comment section what you think or any suggestions for other videos you would like to see. Your feedback is invaluable to us and helps us create content that you love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for being a part of our community. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the soothing sounds of the forest river and the tranquil mountain stream. If you found this video relaxing, check out our playlist for more nature sounds. From gentle river flows to peaceful forest waterfalls, we have a variety of videos to help you relax and unwind. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might also enjoy these serene nature sounds. As always, may the light of the world shine upon you. We look forward to bringing you more peaceful content.